It all began in 1997, when we slowly began to piece together the long-forgotten history of a craft which the valley used to be renowned for. We did it by digging through rubble and looking for clues, rather than using reference books. This was very practical, hands-on archaeology and involved lots of young people. Meanwhile, older generations stood by, surprised by the finds, which had been there, waiting to be rediscovered and identified. Tomaso managed to involve different generations and to create a link to past times so we could appreciate and remember previous inhabitants of the valley and better understand an aspect of their lives through their craft work.